mine too. I literally just got mine for this trip.
Yes, it's been how you want. The long and short of it,
Gene and his horse and his soldiers.
Well, before Argentina.
The other statues represent the war, the battle, the victory.
What? There with me.
Of the city, all right? And there's a quiz at the end of the tour. No, I'm just joking. You probably know that the World Cup is coming. Basically, what you see here, tickets online. Buy the tickets online and you get a 360 view degree.
how much is the ticket?
I think it's about 30 something. El Centro, as we call it, downtown, all right? We're 4 blocks away from the main square, from Plaza de Mayo. Basically, in Buenos Aires, made pyramid, right? La Casa Rosada. What do you know? What do you know about La Casa? That is it's pink, okay? It's the Palace of Government. What you see there at the bottom, the pink house. All right, things about the new dictatorship dissolved the foundation and turned, right? Beautiful architecture that, because of its political it's about here on your left, there. So bienvenidos a La Boca, welcome to La Boca. There are colors, there are people, there are representations of football.
Of course, the most important image is Messi holding the cup, correct? Okay. Oh my God. Like a big dam.
Okay. I like kind of.
Sé que me siguen amando porque ven en mí a alguien muy auténtico.
And people was on TV who were extremely happy to see the vibrant side of it. Clear. No, not by social standing, right? First of all, it's a gorgeous building, by the way. This is equivalent after the 1930s, all right? 1930s is the key period when raw materials to the European countries that were being industrialized. How did the Romans to create a good railway system that would bring very swiftly, very rapidly, the raw materials from all the countryside. Was it okay? No. Yes, it's
Along the other street that is crossing the river, but the process
Takes you to the island, so we need passenger boats, right? So they
Yeah, let's go. One thing. This street is called Los Sabos. Just in case you get lost.
Okay, is everybody there? Okay, this place is the temple of
sediments of the water, they are like mirrors, right? And they reflect the color of the he needed to find something which can be the perfect context for this piece of yeah, every 5 years. Every
También es la misma. Le cagan.
Oh man, I want to go to that one. The line in the middle is green, right?